Okay, we're watching the Eclipse at the Hobbs house. Look at these kids looking at the Eclipse. I think we have 5 minutes. What's it look like, guys?
It looks like a sliver.
Like a sliver?
Yeah.
How's the weather out here right now?
But the sun,
It got cold,
the sun
huh?
right now is so shiny, but when you put these glasses on, you can see just black and just like a tiny bit of orange.
Yeah. And all the birds are starting to fly around because they're confused, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna go to their bed. Dark outside.
It's getting dark, huh? So we're gonna have Totality here. I think we're 4 minutes away. You can't see it yet.
Mommy.
Well, all the birds are flying around like it's nighttime. They're confused.
They're all over here too, Dad.
Oh, they don't know. Look at that.
Look at these birds all flying around.
I'm confused.
Oh, look at this.
So the birds are confused. It's cold outside.
Daddy. Tina was like, why is it night if we just like barely woke up? I will be back in.
So we can't look at the sun without our glasses yet. But it's almost completely covered.
Well, you can see it's getting super dark.
Yeah. I'll tell you guys when you can look without glasses. It's got to be completely covered. But it's really cold. It probably went from 80 to 60.
Yeah.
65 maybe. Got Gabby's family here, some family friends. Hey, Dad.
Complete strangers in here.
It's getting really cold out here.
What's left of that thing?
Poppy, put your glasses on and check it out. What's it look like? Oh, it's just a sliver now.
Can I play my game, Dad?
Yep. Just wait, it's gonna go dark. You have to see that part. You're gonna be able to see the stars. It's gonna get so dark you can see the stars.
Whoa, it got a lot darker right now.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
It won't
We have-
blind you nearly as fast.
We have 1 minute until it's gonna be totally covered.
Yeah?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Do we have to stand in our spots, Dad? Do we have to
Yeah, that would be cool. Mom can take a cool picture.
Lay down, guys. Lay down. That way you can see it. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, stand up. When Mama sees.
Christopher says Eskimos cry at how cold it is in Wales. Oh, it's getting dark. Okay, watch it, kids.
Almost.
Watch it, it's getting dark. Let's see if you can see how dark it is out here. The sun's almost gone.
And then I can barely see anything. I can see a little bit. I can see a tiny bit. I can't.
Oh, it's getting really dark. That's crazy. Keep your glasses on. I'll tell you when you can take it off. Keep your glasses on. Oh, you can see a star up to the right. Oh, it's dark. Holy smokes. You can see. Oh! Okay, you can take your glasses off. Holy smokes. That is so cool.
That's the corona.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's dark.
Oh my god, I have the chills. That is so cool. It's so dark. Look at this. Look at it, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. It's so dark, we can't even see him. Yeah, take your glasses off. Holy smokes, that is incredible. Look outside, it's completely dark like it's nighttime. Whoa. It is 11:33 in the morning. That is, there's even a sunset. Look at the sunset over there. There's a sunset. Oh, you can see some stars up there. You see that star?
That's gotta be Venus.
There's some stars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is crazy. It is completely dark here.
Can you see it how the moon is in front?
Not on the camera.
That night,
Okay, if you look at it, you're gonna start to see the like diamond come off the side. It's gonna start coming back out.
This is so cool. You
Make
can't see it on
go make
camera?
sure they put their glasses. Don't look at it in like 30 seconds. Okay, it's coming back. Look at it, guys.
Coming back.
Okay, don't look at it without glasses anymore.
Don't look at it without glasses. Glasses.
Now we're gonna have a sunrise. Now we're gonna have a sunrise. Yep, it's coming back. Don't look without your glasses. It's getting light. Look at that.
It's getting warm.
Yeah, it's getting warm again. Put your glasses on, dude. Holy smokes, that was incredible. There's yeah, look. We had a sunset and a sunrise in 2 minutes.
Dad, how about I want to tell you a secret. Remember this? How about when it goes like
How about it be let there be light?
and
Puppy says
it light.
it's sunny again. We had the shortest night ever, 2 minutes long. That was incredible. Puppy says, let's show Puppy. Puppy says, let there be light. Let there be light. How cool
Guess
was
what?
that?
The birdies just went to bed. Now they're gonna wake back up.
That's so cool, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully it starts getting warm again. It got cold, huh?
Yeah.
Was that so cool?
Yeah.
How does it feel to watch that?
Awesome.
Awesome. Have you ever seen anything like that in your whole life?
No.
No, that was so cool, huh? All right, now we have another hour of watching. It's really only like, it's still pretty much 95% covered. So it's pretty incredible to see how much light the sun can put out when it's 95% covered. Yeah, there's only like 5% of the sun showing and it's already bright. So it's pretty cool to see that no one can block your light, huh? That is pretty awesome. All right, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining us on Facebook Live from Idaho Falls, Idaho. We had complete totality for like 2 minutes and it got dark. It was so cool. See you guys.